Welcome back to Appetite for the Outdoors. I'm Chef Chad McIntyre, and today we're going to show you guys a technique on a way to cook some really good fresh fish. Today we're going to use some speckled trout, and we're going to do a blackening on the speckled trout. Now you can use any fish you'd like. This right here just came to us a couple days ago, so it's nice and fresh. We've got some of the Carolina Cooker chicken and rib seasoning. The nice thing about this for a blackening seasoning is it has a lot of paprika, gives it a good nice color on it. What we're going to do is we're going to liberally coat our fish with our seasoning. And don't be shy, we're going to shake some of this off before we put it in. And then next what we're going to do is we're actually going to dredge it in a little bit of flour right here. And that's going to help it to not stick to the pan. And then we've got a large cast iron pan over high heat, and put a little bit of olive oil on here. Depending on the thickness of the fish, you want to give it about a minute or two on each side. And just be careful when you turn it, because this oil that we've used is really, really hot and it can splash on you. This is a dish you want to do in a well-ventilated area. We're able to do this outside today, so we don't have to worry about that issue. And there you have it. Nice, quick, easy way to serve really fresh, really good fish. And as always, it's great to take wild game in the outdoors, but it's even better to incorporate it into a dish.